Hello to all. Welcome back to Akademixx Global, where we explore the best educational and medical resources and technologies to help educationists, doctors, students, and healthcare professionals. Today we are diving into VisualDx plus DermExpert, a powerful tool for clinical decision support, especially in dermatology and differential diagnoses. Whether you are a medical student, a resident, or a practicing physician, this platform can save you time and improve diagnostic accuracy. So let's get started. First, I will enter my login details. Now I am logged into VisualDx app. VisualDx is a clinical decision support system with an extensive image libraries, over 40,000 medical images covering dermatology and other specialties. It helps clinicians build differential diagnoses, confirm findings, and educate patients with trusted visuals. It integrates with EHRS and is widely used in hospitals, universities, and clinics worldwide. DermExpert is an add-on feature of VisualDx that lets you take a photo of a skin condition with your smartphone and instantly generates a differential diagnosis. It uses its vast database and suggests possible conditions. This does not replace clinical judgment, but it helps refine your thought process. Let's start searching a condition. Now I am searching psoriasis. Here you can see, after typing psoriasis in the search bar, there are multiple options. Now I am clicking on the psoriasis. Here you can see the detail on psoriasis. We can check the brief summary on psoriasis. We can also check the diagnostic pulse, and we can also check the differential diagnosis and pitfalls. Here you can check the differential diagnosis of psoriasis with some other diseases. You can also check what are the best tests recommended for psoriasis. You can also check what are the best management options available for psoriasis. And you can also check what drugs are recommended for psoriasis. And you can also check the drug reactions data. And finally, there are the references. You can also view all images related to psoriasis. Here you can also add the captions for each picture. You can print it, and you can also filter the images. Like I am hiding the genital images, and you can filter the skin pigmentation type. Also, you can select the images types, like I am selecting the clinical, and you can also filter by the body locations. Now I am moving towards the home page. Let's start building a differential. Here you can see the different specialty. I will select the dermatology, all skin types. Here you can select the type of lesion for which you want to find the differential diagnosis. I am selecting the rash or multiple lesions. Here there is detail which you can put to build a differential. You can select the patient age, you can select the sex type, and then you can select the lesion, how it is presented. I am selecting this one, and then you can select the location of this lesion. I will select the arm and then it's on the shoulder. Then you can select the distribution of your lesion. Either it is scattered or widely spread. I will select it is scattered few. Then you can select the symptoms and signs, like if there is itch is available, you can select it, and you can check if patient is ill or it appears well. Patients appear well. And then you can select the onset of finding. It develops rapidly, minutes to hours. Then you will select any exposure like insect bite or arachnid bite. I will select this one, insect bite. Then you can select the medical history if there is any history of treatment like diabetes, hypothyroidism, or any immunosuppressant patient is already taking. Then you can also add the travel history if patient recently traveled to any other destination from his home. Then you can also select other findings and finally then I will click on the view this differential. Now here you can see the images of the different diseases which will help you in the differential diagnosis. And it is also categorized like uncommon, emergencies, infectious, drug-induced, view all. You can also view all. And the first option is the consider first. Like it could be all, any of these, and it helps you in making the differential. VisualDx plus DermExpert speeds up clinical decision making. It reduces diagnostic errors. It is also great for teaching medical students and residents. And that's how you can use VisualDx plus DermExpert to sharpen your diagnostic skills and make better clinical decisions. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Akademixx Global, and share it with your colleagues. Drop your questions in the comments below and let me know what other medical tools you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.